everybody, and welcome to the Swedesource filter install. As you can tell, this filter and this air box needs a good change. I happen to have the air box out because I was doing the IPD boostability kit, which was a real pain. Hopefully it works. I still got to test it. I installed the IPD boost gauge, so we'll test that, but I might as well throw the Swedesource filter in and see if we get any noticeable results or sounds. I will be running it with the filter inside the box fully closed, so I will be back when it's open. And to open it, by the way, it's just some Torx 25 screws right here. Very simple. All right, we got the lovely purple Swedesource filter. I have taken out the Torx screws, and I'm going to proceed to take out the air filter, which is quite in need of a change. I'm going to clean out this little box and then put this filter in the same way. There's only one opening and the other side's closed, so can't really mess it up on how to install it. And I'm assuming I'm going to get some sort of gain or better performance, because it seems like you only use half the filter here. All right, I'll get back to you once I clean this out and put the filter in. All right, the filter is gonna have this little divot, and when you take your factory one out, it's gonna go in the same spot. It's a tiny bit bigger than the OEM filter, so it will be a little bit of a fight. But put this side in first, and then push down with this. If you're having a really hard time, go to your local. I mean, you can't really get that at a local store here in California, but if you go to a local store, just try and find any silicone spray, any lubricant, spray it here, spray it there. It should make your life a lot easier. So I'm gonna bolt this back up, and we're gonna put it in, see how it goes. Alright, as you guys can see, the Swedesource air filter was not super difficult to install. I think that paired with a stage 1 tune would put a lot of pep in the step. As long as you stage 0 the car, go through it, make sure everything's okay, so it can handle it. But a stage 1 really shouldn't be too crazy for the car. And with the little added air filter horsepower, I think it could be a good first step before going to downpipe and intercooler and stage 2 and all that fun stuff. But alright, thanks for watching. Have a good one, you guys.